Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access advanced features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher in order to activate it. Then scroll down and tap on the best option to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to follow all of those instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. You can also change placement of it by clicking on this little icon on one of its sides or holding this line at the top and dragging it. When you're ready, just tap on this blurry area. This blurry area over here, and turn off one-handed mode completely by tapping on this switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!